Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Uh, Today we will do the redesign of this client testimonial. So let's see how it goes. This is the client review which we'll be using for the client testimonial design. So now I will take a shape which is a rounded square for the design, and I'll align it to my desired position. Okay, so now I'll change the corner radius up a bit. Yep, now it seems okay. And I'll have to change the color, so I'll use the eyedropper tool. So when you click into this and you get the eyedropper tool, so you can just click into the target color and you'll get the color which you're looking for. Now let's align it to the desired position we have. So now let's take a circle from the elements panel and align it to the top left corner, just like maybe this one. Okay, so we need to add a gradient color to the circle, so let's see how we can do that. Here's the circle here we have. So to take the gradient from the picture, we have to first click on the color panel, then go to this one, then gradient. Okay, so yeah, take the eyedropper tool and you have to take one color from here and another color from here as well. So here we can see the color is pretty much good and the gradient is alright. So we can also move it around a bit and align it to the design here. So now we will take another rounded square and align it to the design here. So we'll also fix the rounded corners here, and yeah, so we'll also have to take the gradient color, and as we have already created that, so we can just use it. And yeah, that seems good. Now for the background image, I've already downloaded a image which is a tiles background. So here we have our background image, so let's align it first. Okay, and move to the background. Maybe I want the transparency a little bit lower. Maybe it's quite good enough. Yeah, alright. So yeah, that's great. And after, we'd like to add a frame here for this picture, so we'll go for the circle one. Alright, okay, so maybe a bit smaller here on the side. Okay, and here we have our stars. So first we have to remove the background. Okay, and align it. Okay, so it seems good right now. After, we'll have to add some texts and logos, but before that I'd like to write the upper part here, so let's do it. Like So for this client, we'll use a script font here. Yeah, it seems good. So for the testimonial design, I like to have a bold writing, maybe Archivo black here. Yeah, it seems good, to be honest. Yeah. So to add the gradient effect on the text, I will go to the app section and go to the type gradient option. So here we have to write our text. So here we want testimonial, so we are writing testimonial. Alright, so here we can see we can edit the gradient panel. So I want to make the same exact gradient which I have used earlier. So what I'm going to do is I will copy the hex code, the color code from the previous design, and paste it here on the new text, so it remains the consistency with the other designs as well. So yeah, here you can see I'm copying the color code. So yeah, first you're gonna have to copy and go to the type gradient and paste it, yeah, here. So that's good. So you can see the color, it looks now more consistent than before, so it remains the flow with the other elements as well. So yeah, I think that's good pretty much. So I'm good with the gradient now, so I'm going with this. Now I'm actually doing some adjustments and alignments, so I will be speeding up the scene. Okay, so as I'm done with the alignments here, I will now take the text here, and also I'll need a quotation mark. So from the elements panel, you can choose your desired quotation mark. So yeah, I've chosen this one. So I'll take the same exact color from the eyedropper tool here. So yeah, after I'm done with the color taking, so I'll basically place the quotation mark in the design. Okay, now let's take the text here. So yeah, I've taken the text. So maybe like to change the font a bit and the color as well. So let's first align it to the center. Okay, now I would like to change the text color a bit grayer from black, so it looks good to the eyes. And yeah, I'll place the quotation marks here on the bottom and the top left. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, I'll Control D to copy, and I'll just flip it over. Yeah, so just placing it on the desired position here. Yeah, alright, so it seems good. So now we need an image. So here comes the image. So firstly, we have to remove the background of the image, and now we'll place the image in the frame so it looks good. So after that, we will take a circle from the elements panel and place it behind the frame so it looks good. Um, so most of the design part is done, so now we'll do a bit of the adjustments and alignments here, and we'll finish up the design for today. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for staying with the channel, and like and follow, subscribe for new videos like this. Thank you very much everyone.